Looking for the best toothbrushes for braces? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 toothbrushes for braces on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Platypus Orthodontic Care Kit for Braces. All the items you'll need to clean your teeth with ease. Bristles are soft on the teeth. Brush has a pick end for easy removal of particles. No need to worry about brace damage during flossing, thanks to the brush's safety design. All-in-one orthodontic care package that includes ortho flossers, ortho wax, interdental brush, and anti-bullying paraphernalia you'll need for healthy braced teeth. Complete dental kit. Complaints about the bottle having a childish design and being quite flimsy. At number 2. TEPE Universal Care Soft Slim Toothbrush. Suitable for lingual brace wearers and retro-lined teeth. Brush is designed in a way that reaches hard to get areas for cavity-free teeth. Filaments are extra soft for a soothing experience. Ergonomic handle provides a firm grip. Uniquely angled brush with soft and slim filaments to reach all corners without making your teeth uncomfortable. Since the bristles are soft, users tend to miss the clean teeth feeling after brushing. At number 1. Belmint Water Flosser Dental Oral Irrigator for Braces. Offers 10 different pressure settings for the water flosser, ensuring you can remove food particles from around the braces without causing irritation. Nozzle rotates 360 degrees to reach all areas around the braces. Big water tank. Pricey, but it delivers the precise level of cleaning you need when wearing braces. Higher than average price for a water flosser. Occasional problems with longevity. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.